Did you know that the secret to a more passionate love life might be hiding in your kitchen? In today's video, we'll reveal how a plant-based diet can unlock your full potential in the bedroom. Stay tuned to transform your love life with the power of plants. One of the often overlooked benefits of adopting a plant-based diet is improved sexual health. Here's how going plant-based can lead to better sex. Enhanced blood flow. Plant-based diets, rich in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, promote better blood circulation. Improved blood flow not only benefits your overall health, but also plays a crucial role in sexual arousal and performance. Reduced risk of erectile dysfunction. Diets high in saturated fats and cholesterol from animal products can lead to narrowed blood vessels, which impede blood flow to the genitals. By eliminating these artery-clogging foods, a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction and help maintain sexual function. Increased energy levels. Plant-based diets are typically higher in complex carbohydrates, providing a steady source of energy. With improved energy levels, you're more likely to feel energized and engaged in sexual activities. Better hormone balance. Animal products can contain hormones, antibiotics, and other additives that disrupt your body's natural hormone balance. A plant-based diet reduces exposure to these disruptors, potentially improving hormone regulation, which is crucial for sexual health. Lowered risk of chronic diseases. Chronic illnesses such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity can negatively impact sexual health. Plant-based diets have been shown to reduce the risk of these conditions, indirectly benefiting your sexual well-being. Improved mood and mental health. Mental well-being plays a significant role in sexual desire and performance. Plant-based diets rich in mood-boosting nutrients may help reduce anxiety and depression, leading to a more satisfying sex life. Weight management. Plant-based diets are often associated with easier weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight can boost self-esteem, body confidence, and overall sexual satisfaction. Better digestion. A diet rich in fiber from plant-based foods can improve digestion and reduce gastrointestinal discomfort. This can lead to a more comfortable and enjoyable sexual experience. Increased libido. Some individuals report an increase in libido when following a plant-based diet. This may be due to the diet's positive impact on overall health, energy levels, and hormone balance. In summary, a plant-based diet offers numerous health benefits that extend to sexual well-being. By improving blood flow, hormonal balance, energy levels, and overall health, it can lead to better sexual performance and satisfaction. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe for more upcoming content. Thank you for tuning into Pure Plant Health Channel. Stay healthy, stay plant-based.